Hi. You guys put on a bun and then on until my mum tells me off.
Sorry. Stop!
So, Cash, Mum did not like it. She hated it. But she's not the best. Oh yeah?
Uh-oh.
What? Did I blow the car up? Guys, I think I blew the car up. It's gonna blow up. Guys, the guy's shaking. Taking worse now. Okay, it's better. That's shaking. Mom.
Oh, fuck!
Guys, not the safest car right now. What if a car blows up?
Smell that egg? You smell like someone farted?
Yeah. It's raw egg. Raw egg. Even car might blow
I
up.
think I need an air filter, fuel filter.
Yeah. Part 2 coming soon. I'm sorry. But part 2 is coming soon. And bye guys. And see you next time.